今天扮演的是蘇巡邏小隊駕駛的是 Toyota 海
We
獅。
have an assault with a deadly weapon in West Vinewood.
Copy that. Moving right now.
All units, suspect spotted, northbound, driving a graphite, bravado, gauntlet, muscle car in West Vinewood. All units remain on alert. Backup required in West Vinewood.
Acknowledge. Copy that. On my way. Dispatch, we got eyes. We're in pursuit.
Target heading west and West Vinewood. Backup needed. 46572. Target heading north in Rockford Hills.
你係咪個腦有咩問題啊？聽命令你停車啊！呢度 Hong Kong Police，即刻停低你嘅車。
LSPD, stand down! You son of a piece of crap! I got the suspect! He's down!
Attention all units. Suspect has been taken down in Vinewood Hills. All units return to patrol.
Hey! Good run yesterday!
All units, we've got a hit and run in Rockford Hills.
Roger that, we're on our way.
Assistance required in Backlot City.
This is Ocean 1. We can get that.
He's got a weapon! Screw you all! Crap! I'm reloading!
Attention, this is dispatch. All units, code 4. No further units required. Ambulance. Assistance required in, Rockford Hills. Attention all units. We have a weapons incident, shots fired, in Little Seoul. Respond code 3.
Copy that. Moving right now.
Attention all units. Targets have evaded capture.
Dispatch!
Assistance required in Little Seoul.
Suspect in a fucking car!
Dispatch, we got eyes on the perp.
Helicopter. Assistance required in Little Seoul.
Charlie 4 here. We're in the air and on our way.
Attention all units. Suspect spotted. Southbound. Driving a black baller SUV in South Porta. All units stand by.
Suspect has entered the freeway. This is chopper support. They're going south.
Target spotted heading east, doing 70 miles per hour in South Porta.
Dispatch, suspect left the freeway. I see the perp. We're in pursuit.
Only listen to white.
Oh, we have a collision.
Damn it! Out of ammo!
Target spotted heading north in Davis. Ambulance. Assistance required in Davis. Target heading north, doing 60 miles per hour in La Mesa. Assistance needed in Davis.
Acknowledge. Dispatch, we got eyes on the target. Moving to engage.
Target seen heading west in downtown.
Suspect is on
You
foot.
moron. Please don't. Nowhere to go.
Attention all units. 1015 suspect in custody in Pillbox Hill. Return to patrol. Hello. 10-4, code 4.
Hello, darling. How are you?
We have assault with a deadly weapon in
Roger that. We're on our way. Dispatch, you have a location for the suspect.
assistance needed in Little Seoul.
Dispatch, Eagle 7, closing on the location, over.
Dispatching air unit from Central Station.
Eagle 1 is inbound. This is air support. Suspect is heading north.
Attention all units. Suspect spotted northbound driving a black Canese Mesa sports utility vehicle in Pillbox Hill. All units stand by.